This is a community orientation campaign promoting hand washing and water treatment before usage in households. The initiative also moving to discourage open defecation. Addressing communities at the Sensitization Forum in Jirobakunda, Ibrahim Anjay, the Assistant Program Officer of the Water Sanitation Hygiene Unit, Directorate, said the orientation particularly aims to support communities affected by flooding, which could potentially expose victims to contamination and disease.
When flood strike, there will be destruction in a lot of, areas, concerning, let's say sanitation and so forth. So hand washing is key during such, let's say, occurrence or events. And then not only hand washing, but also treatment of water that is used by household, and also how to definitely take care of the fecal matter that is coming from the human population. So in a nutshell, this is to help in improving the sanitation and also the hygiene of the communities.
According to the Regional Health Promotion Education Officer in the Upper River Region, Khalifa Kande, communities have been oriented in hygiene practices with health messages to prevent contamination. Devastating floods damage significant infrastructure in these areas, including toilets, open water wells, leading to increased open defecation, which officials said could cause disease and contamination.
These are not new hygiene practices. These are regular hygiene practices that people are practicing. But we are also empowering them with health messages that they can be doing. And we did some practical demonstration, especially on hand washing. This is just to target them during floods, what they need to do so that health aspect, the prevention of this fecal-oral contamination. So that's why we are talking to these communities. It was 7 communities that were targeted. So this community, Giroba, is our last community today. So that was the intention of this sensitization. If you look at here in Giroba, there are 15 households that were selected here for the distribution of these sanitary items. But you have seen the turnout here. Almost everybody in the community, every household is represented here. So, and that is the target, so that the message reaches every household. Because we believe those 15 households, those were people that were enumerated during the first round of this flood. And so most of the households were affected here. So at least we have achieved our target of sending the message to every household in Giroba here.
The campaign saw public health officials making demonstration of proper hand washing and other mechanisms for domestic sanitation, whilst urging communities to lead the process. Maimuna Bande and Malik Bande, respectively, commended HIPDO officials and their partners for the orientation, sensitizing them on public health matters and hygiene.
The women are the main beneficiaries because we are the ones who do the domestic works, take care of children. So the discussion is important, and we will capitalize and make best of it, and also disseminate the information in order for many to get the messages.
To come and educate the people how to sustain their health, and the descent for that matter. We are very happy today, because it has been a very great day for us, for people to recognize our difficulties in our village. We are giving soap, to sustain the cleanness of that encourages health.
The community also received sanitary materials such as omo and soaps to support environmental upkeep and sanitation. Seydou Camara, reporting for GRTS News from Basse Upper River Region.